welcome to Roochis town. Today's video is a recipe for a Burmese food called Atho. So this is famous in Chennai, basically North Chennai, and it is a street food there, usually made during the evenings at Vyasarpadi, Red Hills or Second Lane Beach Road opposite to Beach Station. And in Burma it's usually had as a street food or for breakfast. Now let's see how we're going to make this dish. For this we would need finely chopped coriander leaves, mint leaves, boiled eggs, deep fried onions, deep fried garlic, crushed red chilies, bejo, which is basically a nippattu or deep fried crackers, and the main ingredient, noodles. So these are chow mein noodles. You can take the Hakka noodles or any noodles of your choice. Carrots, onion, cabbage, some lime or lemon juice, tamarind juice, fried grams which are powdered, salt water, and onion and garlic fried oil. So we're going to grate the carrots. We're going to add the finely chopped cabbage, chopped onions, so these are fried onions, fried garlic, I've just kept a little aside, and these are crushed red peppers. I'm going to take how much ever would be required. And we have to put the bejo. I'm using homemade nippattu here. We'll crush them and add to this. We'll add coriander leaves, mint leaves, and the boiled noodles. Into this, add some tamarind juice. This is salt water. This is the oil, onions and garlic fried oil, fried grams powder, I'm going to add some lemon juice, so we are going to mix everything together now. And finally add the eggs.
So here we have Atho, which is ready for me to taste. So usually this is very light on the tummy. How much ever you eat, you don't feel that it's heavy. After a Indian meal, how you feel, you don't feel that at all, and it feels very fresh and very refreshing actually. When I tasted it and when I had that experience, I really felt good. I mean, it's more or less like salad after you eat, how it's not heavy on your stomach. It's exactly like that. If you don't want to add eggs, you can skip the eggs from this. And usually in the shops there in North Chennai, when they are doing this, they do it also like a atho fry. They basically break the eggs and fry and give it another dish altogether. That's a variation in atho, I would say. So let's taste this and see how it is come out. It's good. So you can actually adjust the taste levels however you want. If you want it to be more spicy, add more of the chili flakes. If you want it to be more tangy, you can either add more of lemon juice or the tamarind juice. So it is completely has to be your taste. So there's no set ingredients like this is how much you have to add for this. So adjust it according to your taste and just enjoy it. So meet you again with yet another video. If you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe to Roochis Town. See you again. Bye-bye.